Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to give Claude AI a custom persona or writing style. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first, don't write like a marketer. Don't write like that. Uh, Instead, use more structured blueprint that defines its role, voice, structure, and rules. So for that, we will create basically just new project. Let's go here to the project and then create new. Right here, we can put custom persona, just like so, create project. And now we can separately create these blueprints. So let's create something like that. This is total example. So we will create right here first message. So as you can see, act as an insert rule, senior copywriter, and so on. Your writing style must match the following parameters. And yeah, we go from here. As you can see now, we got an answer here. Now, the next step, we can do it right here in this message, or we can go back to our file and create basically totally new text right here. Because why not? We can do that we don't mix everything together. So we have analyzed the writing style, tone, rhythm, and word choices of the sample text below, and here you will paste the sample text here, and then it will do its own thing. Okay, now if we go back, we can also make new thing here. So we can basically, because free chats can drift over long conversation, Claude might slowly slip back into its default. So we can use quick one-line correction prompts to snap it back into a character. So we can if we have a text, we can just paste it in the text, and also next to it we can put this, like rewrite that, but cut the word count in half and remove all fluff. We can also adjust tone. So these are now just the example how we can change something if we don't like, and we can also fix structure. It's also here an option. So format that entire answer using only short, punchy bullet points. This short text you need to include next to the text which you want to fix. But yeah, this is basically how we can correct prompts. And this is basically it. This is how you can create custom persona or writing style. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next